In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only one tab in a spreadsheet. When you're working in a spreadsheet, it's really common to have several tabs, or sheets, in the same file. Maybe one tab has data you're happy to share, while other tabs contain private information, rough work, or calculations you don't want others to see. Instead of sharing the entire spreadsheet and risking someone clicking into the wrong tab, you can safely share just one. The key idea here is that most spreadsheet tools don't let you directly share a single tab from within the same file. So what we do instead is create a separate spreadsheet that contains only the tab you want to share, and then share that new file. Think of it as giving someone a clean copy that only includes the view you're comfortable exposing. Start by opening the original spreadsheet that has the tab you want to share. Along the bottom, you'll see the row of tabs. Click on the one you want to share so it becomes active. Now you're focused on just that sheet. Next, you'll want to create a copy of this tab in a brand new file. In most spreadsheet tools, you can right-click on the tab name and look for an option like Copy To or Move or Copy. Choose the option that lets you copy it to a new spreadsheet. This will automatically create a separate file containing only that tab, with all of its data and formatting preserved. Once that new file is created, open it in a new tab or window. Take a moment to review it carefully. Make sure there are no hidden columns, rows, comments, or notes that you didn't intend to share. If your original sheet pulls information from other tabs with formulas, double-check that the data still appears correctly. If necessary, you can replace complex formulas with their current values so the shared version doesn't depend on your original file. When everything looks good, rename the new spreadsheet to something clear and specific so you can recognize it later. A descriptive title also helps the person you're sharing it with understand what they're looking at. Now you're ready to share. Use the usual sharing option in your spreadsheet tool to set the right permissions. You can allow others to view only, comment, or edit, depending on what you need. Finally, send them the link to this new file. They'll only see that single tab, and your other sheets in the original spreadsheet remain completely private.